After these Pacific Island students' work, the UN has asked the world's top court to examine climate change. Faced with rising sea levels that are literally swallowing their lands, a group of Pacific Island students started the campaign in 2019. On Wednesday, March 29th, the UN passed a resolution asking the International Court of Justice, or ICJ, to issue a legal opinion about climate change and human rights. Here's what Cynthia Houniuhi, the president of the Pacific Island Students Fighting Climate Change, which started the campaign, told me.
In my country and part of the world, climate change impacts us disproportionately. For us, it doesn't only take away our livelihoods, but it takes away also the lives of our loved ones. It takes away our land, which we based our identity on. It also takes away the opportunity for myself and our future generations to practice our culture, to speak our languages. It takes away our sovereignty when we have to pack and move to an unknown world. It takes away a huge part of me that I can never get back. Climate change is the greatest threat to what we hold so dear to us in our cultures in the Pacific. And I will fight like my life depended on it, like those before me have, to ensure that the future generations have a life of dignity and cultural identity.
The ICJ will now respond to the questions asked by the UN and issue what is called an advisory opinion on climate change. An advisory opinion is not legally binding like the ICJ's official rulings, but it does carry a lot of authority and weight. Activists say it will provide clarity on countries' legal obligations to respond to climate change and to protect the rights of current and future generations, as well as serve as a reference or tool that people can use to hold their governments accountable for climate action. Follow for more stories about climate justice.